Hey everybody, Miss Reiser here. I'm going to teach you today how to make your first Padlet. If you've never made one before, there will be step-by-step instructions. If you have made one before, this screencast will give you specifics on what I expect from you for book club, so please follow along either way. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser, which should be Google Chrome, and you're going to visit padlet.com. Sorry, Padlet. When you get here, you're going to click the button Sign Up. It's free. And then it's going to ask you which option you would like. You're going to click Sign Up with Google. That will bring you right to your school account. If it doesn't, then you need to change it. Please click Use Another Account. If your school account comes up, go ahead and click on it, and it's going to ask for your password. It didn't ask for mine because I've already signed up. When you're done with that, it's going to bring you to your homepage. You are going to go up to the top and click Make a Padlet. So there are plenty to choose from. Some of them you have to upgrade to use, but we're going to stick with the free version for now. So you're more than welcome to choose one that you think works for your group, but I would say probably the best option would be the wall, because this gives you a lot of freedom in terms of what you can post and where you can place everything on the page. So when you get here, you'll notice in the background that there's a skateboard and a title called My Sublime Wall. Please don't worry about that because you're going to change it. Where I want you to focus on the right side of your screen. The first thing you're going to do is modify your Padlet. So first things first, you're going to change your title. You're simply going to put your group number and book club. Then for description, I would like you to write the title of the book you are reading. So for example, if you are reading, let's see, Borderline by Alan. Go ahead and write that title and author for me. You'll notice that it's changing in the upper left-hand corner as you modify. So if you go ahead and scroll down, you can actually pick your wallpaper. So there are plenty to choose from here. We've got backdrop for The Simpsons, would be an interesting choice. A blackboard, but you can also click more, find one that you like. One that goes with your book would be preferable, please. So try to make it intentional. You can even add your own if you have a picture of your book that you want to put in the background, but I like to choose one that they already have made. All right. I don't see anything that quite matches my theme. I'm not at all a fan of that one. Here we go. We're going to click Phoenix Rising because, of course, Dumbledore's pet phoenix has my heart. So those phoenix feathers are quite interesting to me. Don't judge me. All right, then you're going to click back to go back to modifying. Now for your theme, you can either have Dr. Light or Dark Night. So if you click on Dr. Light, the text will be dark and the background of the text boxes will be light. If you choose the opposite, which is Dark Night, you will have light text and dark backgrounds. We're going to stick with Dr. Light for me. You can pick any font style you like from these options. I think that's pretty nice. And then if you scroll down, you don't have to do this, but you can. You can choose a symbol that represents your Padlet. So let's see. The book Borderline is about a boy whose dad is accused of being part of a terrorist plot. Just another Tuesday, right? But I don't see anything I like. We're going to go with the shaking hands because it represents unity, and the book at some point addresses the theme of unity. Lovely. Go ahead back. Now this is where I need you to really pay attention. So for attribution, you're going to turn this switch on. That way I know who posts what. And for new post position, you're going to choose, are the newest posts going to appear first or last? It doesn't matter to me. Either way is fine. You're going to sort it however you like as a group. Profanity filter should definitely be turned on. Not that I think any of you will enter any inappropriate words, but if you do, they will be covered with nice emojis. Comments, I would like you to turn this on, as well as reactions. And after you turn reactions on, I would like you to click off the check mark that says grade, because I will be providing grades for your posts. Okay, you do not need any tags. And your address, which is how people can access your Padlet, you can actually change to your group number. My bad, we need an underscore. So group number, book underscore club. What's happening? Oh, it's because of my number sign. My bad. How about we just leave that the way it was? Great. All right, you're going to scroll up and hit the word next. When you get here, this is also really important. Okay, so I'm going to be, aside from you and your partners, the only one who has access to this Padlet right now. So what you're going to do is leave it on secret, and those with access can write. So if I want to write anything or change anything, I am able to do that. And then whoever started this Padlet is going to add the emails of the people in their group. So let's say, for example, my friend Will Benson is in my group. I'm going to type his last name. No, that didn't want you to. Okay, so we're going to do our graduating year, 20W at Rivervale Schools.com. And click on Will, add him as a contributor. Please make sure all of the contributors can write. Please also remember to add me. So you're going to type in advisor at Rivervale Schools.com. I will pop up. Click on my name, also can write. When you're done adding everybody that you need, you can leave the remake as on, and you can leave the moderation as off. You're going to click next. Let me remove Will so he doesn't get confused. And now you're all ready to start posting. So your Padlet has been modified, your theme has been set, your text is good, everybody's on here. So now anybody in your group can edit. So that is how you make a Padlet. After you guys are done making those and getting everybody on board, you can watch my next screencast, which shows you how to start your very first post and tells you what you need to have on your Padlet as of now. Thanks, guys.